Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today we take a look at a new-ish offering from Sig, and this is out of their Custom Works department. And this is a 6-hour P365 Spectre Comp. That's a very long name, and I think it was the humble marksman that said, I'm not going to be saying that name for the entire video, so we're just going to call it the P365 SC. So I don't know if I can steal that from him. I don't think he's copyrighted it yet, but all credit to the humble marksman. If you haven't checked out his channel, please do. He is an expert marksman, and his videos just are full of knowledge, wisdom, and very funny humor. Anyway, check him out, Humble Marksman. P365. It's been around for a while now, and it's considered to be one of the best, if not probably on the micro compact, one of the best, if not the best, pistol out there for concealed carry. So Sig Sauer, of course, takes it up to the next level with an offering from their Custom Works. This pistol is not mine, it was borrowed, and I want to thank Range USA, the former Shoot Point Blank, for letting me film this at their location, and that's why you're going to hear some shooting and in the background and people. Nobody's shooting at people, but you're going to hear the customers and you're going to hear the range going on. It's pretty full out there. So I wanted to just give you a first impressions and whether this is a pistol that you would consider carrying, because it does have a $1,300 price tag. Yes, $1,299.99 is the MSRP, and that's what it's going for here. Now the pistol has been safety checked, but we'll do it one more time just to be double quadruple sure. And there it is. And since the mag is out, it comes in the regular 6-hour P365 box. You don't get anything fancy, anything better because of the price tag. But you get two 6-hour mags, 12-round mags, 10 rounds if you don't live in a free state. And from top to bottom, what makes it different, as you can see right away, not only the treatment to the slide, very, very nice serrations. You also see that it is optics ready, and what's nice about it is it does retain the rear sight. So the rear sight are the X-Ray 3 day-night sights. I like that sight picture. I always have. You can see it a little bit better there. And since we're on this side of the business end of the gun, you can see here is a built-in comp. So the barrel does not go all the way through. It's actually, I believe, the same size barrel as the regular P365, but the slide is about the same length as a P365 XL. And here you've got the comp, and that's what the fuzz is all about. Now, according to Sig, and you've heard this probably from every review out there, according to Sig, the comp here is supposed to reduce the muzzle flip by about 30% by letting the gases as the gun is fired. And yes, I'm putting my hand in there, but we know that it's safety checked. So as the round gets fired, the gases escape, and they escape up, and they help the gun come back to not be as flippy, if I may use a technical term. So it's something different, and the nice thing about it is that it will fit your regular P365 XL holsters. It is, of course, modular, so if you want to just remove the chassis and change triggers, you can. The trigger to me feels the same as any other P365 XL. So I don't know. That's tight. I don't know if that's an issue that we're going to see again. You see here the dry fire? I have a video on that issue with a P365 XL being tremendously tight, and even after 500 rounds of live fire, the slide didn't loosen up, and it was almost impossible to do dry fire practice with it. So I don't know if this is something that's going to be the same, but anyway, it's a modular trigger system, so you can remove the chassis, change it. Here you're going to see that it's got titanium nitride coated both on the barrel and on the trigger shoe. The grip has got a very nice texture. See if the camera will catch it there. And it is laser engraved. So laser stippled, if you want to call it that. Come Come on, focus, catch up. There's a little bit better there. And then in the front as well. So it's definitely grippy. This is not going to go anywhere. Typical Sig P365 has got a very nice undercut here under the trigger guard. It's got no texture anywhere, and it's got that proprietary rail. So overall, it's very well made. It's got the same Custom Works logo here that is laser engraved instead of actually being engraved into the slide. So I don't know how long that's going to last, especially if you're going to be holstering it a lot and actually using it. That may just rub away. So no, I'm not muscling myself. I just wanted to see if I can get you an in-focus look at what all the fuzz is about. So that's a quick look. I just wanted to give you a first look, not even a first impressions. This, of course, is not going to be in the rental counter, so if I want to test it and see what it's all about, Sig is not going to send me one for test and evaluation. So I'm trying to debate whether I should spend the $1,300 or not just to see if I like it. I wish Sig would send me one, but it's not going to happen. So there it is. Overall, I like it a lot. And you may say, well, spending $1,300 on a carry gun seems a little bit out there. And I was thinking the same way until I realized that, well, this is my daily carry. And it's a custom Glock 48 by ZR Tactical Solutions. I put a video on it not too long ago. And for the manual reviewer on YouTube, before you get your Baby Gap jeans all in a bunch, this is exactly as I bought it from the maker. It has not been modified in any way, shape, or form. But my point in bringing this out to you is that overall, I've got about the same invested in this as the cost of this, and I carry this every day. So would I carry a $1,300 pistol? Yeah, because I have been. This is smaller, and if it shoots 30% with less recoil, 30% less recoil, if I could speak, than my Glock 48 or a regular P365 XL, it might be worth the money. It might be worth taking a look at it. But what do you think? Would you spend that kind of money on a carry pistol? Would you spend that kind of money on a P365 XL? I look forward to your comments. Please let me know what you think. And remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I am very active on Instagram, and there you can see what's coming down the pipeline way before it hits YouTube, so I would appreciate a follow there as well. Thank you very much for watching. And until the next time, God bless.